Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Here is an informative tutorial on how to design a 3D printable tripod holder for your smartphone using freecad. 1. Install freecad. First, you need to download and install freecad on your computer. freecad is a free and open source parametric 3D modeling software. To create a new project, open freecad and create a new project. You can start by creating a new document and selecting the part Design Workbench. 3. Design the tripod holder. To design the tripod holder, you can start by creating a sketch on the XY plane. Draw the outline of the holder, making sure to include features like the slot for the smartphone and the attachment point for the tripod. 4. Extrude the sketch. Once you have finished the sketch, use the pad tool to extrude the sketch into a 3D object. Specify the height of the holder according to your smartphone size. 5. Add details. You can add details like fillets to smooth out the edges and make the holder more aesthetically pleasing. You can also add additional features like a tightening mechanism to secure the smartphone in place. 6. Export the design. Once you are satisfied with the design, you can export it as an STL file. This file format is commonly used for 3D printing. 7. 3D print the holder. Use a 3D printer to print the tripod holder using the STL file you exported. Make sure to use the appropriate settings for your printer and the desired material. Here is an example code snippet to create a simple tripod holder design in freecad. This code snippet creates a simple tripod holder design with a rectangular shape and adds fillets to the edges. You can modify the sketch and add more features as needed for your specific smartphone and tripod requirements.